Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GSAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite frequently over the past week or so, and that is where these red and green lines are coming from. But after today's price action, quite a few updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning and delete these lines out of here and here. Yes, they both still pertain, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have a million lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update comes about from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that maybe remember the last analysis I did, hopefully you remember me talking about $1.60 as resistance, but now that the price has broken above it and closed above it, this would be an area of support. Best case scenario, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above $1.75, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. But by no means am I saying that if $1.75 fails, that the entire chart's ruined. Not saying that at all. And then just to reiterate, like I've said in past videos, from the big picture of things, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So that's really kind of the easiest way to measure the health of the entire trend. Just keep an eye on that purple line, and like I said, as long as the price is above it, bulls are in full health. This part is pretty straightforward in regards to levels of resistance. The party stopped on 2 different occasions. The bulls try to push up through that $2 mark, which makes sense. Nice round number. So $2 and then a couple of instances right there. Price couldn't push through it. So that's definitely public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow and next week. But all in all, no doubt about it, very nice looking chart. And as long as the price keeps on putting in the higher lows like it's been doing, so in other words, as long as history keeps repeating itself as it's been doing the past couple of weeks, the long-term chart is going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.